Here are the recipe that I used to achieve this jollof rice. Here are my recipe for jollof rice. I have my beef, my 4 cups of rice, my meat spice, my salt to taste, crayfish, fresh pepper, tomatoes, onions, tomato paste, seasoning cube, finally vegetable oil. It's time to parboil my rice. Allow your pot to dry water before you add it to your vegetable oil. My pots have dry water, I will add it my vegetable oil. You add the quantity you need. Next is my onions. Very slow. Allow it to fry a little. Next is my tomato paste. You fry your tomato paste a little. Next is my fresh tomatoes. You stir it together. Fry it until the water dries. Next is my fresh pepper. As you can see, my tomatoes have dry water. Now I want to add it crayfish. Next one is my meat spice. Stir it together and add it water. Next one is my hot water. Add your seasoning cube. Next one is my salt to taste. I'm adding 2 spoons. Then you cover it. Cover your pot. Allow it to cook like 3 to 4 minutes so that the taste will come out. Next is my parboiled rice. Stir it together. You check if the water have reached to the level of the rice. If the water have not reached to the level of rice, you add it more water. Now add it a little water so that it will cover the rice very well. Add my rice. Before I will cover it to cook, I will test if the salt is enough. Wow, our rice look delicious. Next one is my meat. The meat I have already steamed it. I did not fry it. Lastly, I will add my onions. Finally, our jollof rice have dried water. It's time to carry it down. Please, if today is your first day of watching my video and you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Or you have been watching my video, you have not subscribed, subscribe. Make a comment, share it and like it. Bye for now.